nakahilig sa'yo. Nagkunwaring natutulog lang. Naramdaman ko, tindig ng puso mo'y higit pa sa kaba ko. Nais man ilihim di magawa, ikaw ang aking sinisinta. Ika'y nag-iisang mahalagang bagay sa mundo. At dahil sa iyo, puso'y dumugong-dugong. Sigaw ng puso kong ito, tanging ikaw ang minamahal ko. Labi ko'y nanginig, basta't mo sarado kong mga mata. Pangarap ko'y ikaw ang unang magkayakap ko. At alam ko rin naman na ako ay gusto mo rin. Ang busilan na pag-ibig nakaukit sa ating puso. At nang dahil sa ligaya sa puso.
Naman tayo sa makapagdamdaming kwento ng buhay, kung saan nakipagsapalaran siya sa ibang bansa upang iahon ang buhay ng kahirapan. Dear Sexy Sally, ako si Kikay sa Pilipinas at Francesca naman sa Amerika. Alam ko, maganda talaga ako. Halata naman, di ba? Pero hindi iyon ang aking suliranin. Matagal din po ako nasa New York. Naging OFW din po ako sa Amerika ng 2 taon. At pagbalik ko ng Pilipinas, ito na ang nangyari. Tunghayan natin ang aking kwento. La 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 la. Tony, I thought you were in the province.
But is that you, Aling Atang?
Of course, it's me, foolish boy. Who did you think, Carmen Rosales?
You don't like Aling Atang.
I had my hair cut. Do I look so horrible?
Oh no, you look just wonderful. Aling Atang for a moment. I thought you were own daughter. I thought you were Kikay.
Oh, you are so palikero as ever, Tony. But come in, come in. Here, sit down. Tony, how is your mother?
Oh, poor mother, she's terribly homesick for Tondo. Aling Atang, she wants to come back here at work.
How long have you been away?
Only 3 months.
Only 3 months? 3 months is too long for a Tondo native to be away from Tondo. My poor Kumari, how bored she must be out there.
Well, Aling Atang, you know how it is with us engineers. We must go where our jobs call us. But as soon as I have finished with that bridge in Bulacan, Mother and I are coming back here to Tondo.
Yes, you must bring her back as soon as possible. We miss her whenever we play pangingge.
That is what she misses most of all.
Now I understand how she feels. Your mother could never become a provinciana, Tony. Once a Tondo girl, always a Tondo girl. I always say. But I wonder if that's true after all. Look at my Kikay. She was over there in America for a whole year, and she says she never felt homesick at all.
When did Kikay arrive, Aling Atang?
Last Monday, but don't call her Kikay anymore. Instead, call her Francesca.
I didn't know she had come back from New York until I read about the newspaper.
That girl arrived only last Monday, and look what has happened to me.
Oh.
When she first saw me, she was furious. She said that I needed a complete overhauling. She dragged me off to a beauty shop. And look what has she done to me. Do I look like Americano? Oh, someone's knocking. Another visitor again. Can you please open the door, Tony, and I will go to wake Francesca up.
Of course. Look, who's here?
Oh, Tony!
Oh, come in.
Oh, where's Kikay?
She's not Kikay anymore. She's Francesca.
Francesca?
Miss Tondo has become Miss New York now. Our dear old Kikay is now an American.
Kikay? An American? That makes me laugh. Why I need the girl when she was still stealing rice cake? Nagturo na tayo. Bota! Bota kayo dyan!
Remember when I pushed her into the canal and she was dripping with mud?
Why, it's Totoy.
Nana, my own!
And Tony too. What's all this? A Canto Boy reunion?
No, we're here to count the New Yorkers.
Is she at home?
Aling Atang is trying to wake her up.
To wake her up? Is she still dreaming?
No, she's awake. She's dressing. Good morning, Totoy. Good morning, Nana. Come and help me to carry some merienda. Yes, Aling Atang.
Well, I'm tired of being secretly engaged to you. But fun is it being engaged if you cannot tell everybody?
Just give me a chance to talk to Kikay and explain everything to her. Then, you and I will announce our engagement.
Well, you better hurry. I'm getting impatient.
So, how are you, Totoy? Fine. Okay. Thank you. Here, have some merienda. Oh, here's Kikay. How many times must I tell you, Mom, dearest, never to serve fruit just in water glasses? Oh, I couldn't find those stone glasses you brought home. Oh, my poor little Momsy. She is so clumsy, no? But never mind, dearest. Don't break your heart about it. Here, sit down. No, I must be going to market. Oh, Momsy, don't forget my celery. I can't live without celery. I'm like a rabbit, munch all day. And remember, Momsy, little bloom on the lips, a little blooms on the cheek. Oh, Kikay, do I have to? Again, Momsy? Okay. Bye, everyone. Bye.
Hey, Kikay, tell us about New York.
Ah, New York.
How long did you stay there?
10 months, 4 days, 7 hours, and 21 minutes. And she's still there in her dreams. Yes, I felt as if I were still there, as though I had never left it, as though I had lived there all my life. But I look around me. And I realized that no, I'm not there. I'm not in New York. I'm here. Here. I'm home. They tell me home, but which is home for me? This cannot be home. Because here my heart is with homesickness. I feel myself to be an exile. Yes, a spiritual exile. My spirit aches for its true home across the sea. Ah, New York, my own dear New York.
I don't think we ought to be here at all, boys.
Yes, we shouldn't disturb her. Let's all just walk out very, very quickly. Ikay, I don't know just how to begin.
Just call me Francesca. That's good beginning.
There is something I must tell you. Something very important.
Only, can't we just all forget about it?
Forget?
That's the New York way, Tony. Forget. Nothing must ever be too serious. Nothing must drag on too long. Tonight, give all your heart. Tomorrow, forget.
What are you talking about?
Tony, I was a child at that time.
When?
When I got engaged, I've changed so much since then, Tony.
That's only 1 year ago.
To me, it seems a century. So much has happened to me. I've become a completely different person in just 1 year. After all, what's a year? What's a person? Just relative terms. More can happen to you in just 1 year in New York than in all a lifetime spent anywhere else. Do you know, I feel as if I've always lived in New York. In its spirit, I have always been a native of Manhattan. When I first arrived there, I felt I had come home at last. It's my real home. Oh, listen, last summer, it was really hot. One of the hottest summers we ever had. I'd go riding on one of those double-decker buses just to cool off. And all those people from Kalamazoo, Peoria, and other places like that would be wandering around the streets. Sightseeing, at there, I would be on top of this bus looking down at them. And feeling very amused at the way they behaved at the shop windows. But I'd be feeling very proud too, because it was my city. They were admiring, and I'd feel rather sorry for them living out there in the street.
Listen, I don't want to talk about New York. I want to talk about our engagement.
And that's what we cannot do, Tony. Not anymore.
Why not?
Tony, you got engaged to a girl named Hikay. Well, that girl doesn't exist anymore. She's dead. The person you see before you is Francesca. Don't you see, Tony, I'm a stranger to you. We don't speak the same language, and I feel so much older than you. I'm a woman of the world. You are only a boy. I hate to hurt you, Tony, but surely you see that there can be no more talk of an engagement between us. And marriage between us would be a stark miscegenation. Imagine a New Yorker marrying a stunned boy.
Now, look here.
I'm sorry if I've hurt you, Tony, but I wanted you to realize how ridiculous it would be. To think that I could be engaged to you?
I'm not going to eat. I'm not going to sit here and be insulted.
Hush, Tony, hush! Don't shout! Don't lose your temper! It's so uncivilized!
What do you want me to do? Smile and thank you for slapping my face?
Yes, Tony, be a sport! Let's smile and shake hands and be just friends, huh? Be brave, Tony! Forget that's the New York way. Find another girl. There are another girls in the Esther, as they say, Brooklyn. You'll find somebody else, someone more prepared for
If
you.
you were a woman, I'd...
Hold it, Tony. You must never hit a woman.
What's all this?
Nothing at all. What were you two quarreling about? We were not quarreling. Tony and I just decided to be just good friends and nothing more.
Tony, is this true?
Yes.
Now, we can tell them.
Tell us what? What's going on here?
Tony and I are engaged.
Engaged?
Yes, we've been engaged for a month.
A month? Well, you!
I did try to tell you, Kikay, but I was trying to tell you.
You despicable cat!
Hey, careful there. You're speaking to my fiancé.
He's not your fiancé.
Oh no, why not, huh?
Because he was still engaged to me.
Well,
When he got engaged to you.
well, he's not engaged to you anymore. You
Ah.
just said so yourself.
But I didn't know about all this.
Now remember, Kikay, it's uncivilized to lose one's temper. People in New York don't lose their tempers. No people of the hot month. Anyway.
I've never felt so humiliated in all my life. You bet I'll teach you to humiliate me.
I told you to leave him alone. He's my fiancé.
And I tell you it's not. He's engaged to me until I release him. And I haven't released him yet.
You ought to be ashamed to yourself. You're just being a dog in a manger.
You ought to be ashamed of yourself. It's stealing my man behind my
What?
back.
What did you say?
Shameless hussy. Man-eater!
How dare you to suck her? What? She ate me first! Look, what your girl does to her! Are you dependent her? You never depended me. Shut up! I hate you, I hate. Shut up, or I'll bash your house.
Hey, don't you talk to Nina that way.
You keep out of this. He's more gentleman than you are. He defends me.
Take your hands off her.
I told you to keep out of this. Oh, Toto, you saved my life. Oh, Tony, I've been such a fool. I'm so sorry, Tony. Well, I'm not. I'm glad I found out what kind of person you are. Oh, Tony, you're wrong. You're wrong. I'm not that kind of person at all. Oh, person? It's just a relative term, huh? Yes, Tony. That's what Francesca saying. Those silly things, but Francesca exists no more, Tony. The girl standing before you is Kikay. In that silly dress? Oh, this is just the gift wrapping. Tony, but deep inside me, I'm just a little thunder girl in love with Thunder Boy. Well. It's true, Tony. I'm Kikay. Remember me? We used to go swimming together when we were kids. I've come back, Tony. If I remember right, I was engaged to a girl named Kikay. Yes, and you're still engaged to her, Tony. Welcome home, Kikay. How was the trip? Horrible. I couldn't wait to get back. Like it's in New York? Oh, give me Tondo anytime. Why didn't you answer my letters? Francesca wouldn't let me write, Tony. That nasty girl. I'm glad she's dead. Frances! Oh, Tony, are you still here? Francesca, don't be angry, but I couldn't find any celery. Oh, never mind, Inay. I hate celery. Hate celery? Why? You said you couldn't find any celery. That was Francesca Aling Atam, and Francesca is dead. The girl standing before you is Kikay. But Kikay is Francesca. Oh no, Inay. I'm not Francesca. I'm Kikay. I give up. 3. Oh, that's good. What memories it brings back. I first heard it in New York at Eddie Conrad. Uh-oh. Sorry, darling. May I have this jogging with you, partner? 3. Delighted, madam.
Sa ngayon, May mga anak na kami ni Toto. At ang aking nanay ay hindi na nagmamaganda. Alam mo naman, like mother, like daughter. Pero kahit ganoon, namuhay kami ng matiwasay at payapa. Lubos na maganda, friendship kami kay Mendoza.
Sadyang di magmamahal.
What time is it where you are? I miss you more than anything. Back at home, you feel so far. Waiting for the phone to ring. It's getting lonely living upside down. I don't even wanna be in this town. Trying to figure out the time zones, making me crazy. You say good morning when it's midnight, going out of my head alone in this bed. I wake up to your sunset and it's driving me mad. I miss you so bad and my heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. It's so jet lagged. What time is it where you are? 5 more days and I'll be home. I keep your picture in my car. I hate the thought of you alone. I've been keeping busy all the time, just to try to keep you off my mind. Trying to figure out the time zones, making me